Welcome to Classic Klondike Solitaire. Going to be playing this game in real time with no editing at all. So this should be fun here. Let's see what we can do or what not do. And just gonna. Oh, this might be too easy of a game here. Let's play that. Let's see. The fun games are the challenging ones. This might not be one of those fun ones. Let's see, that goes there. That might not be a good move, but we're going to play it early. Alright, yeah, this game is way... I'm playing dumb here, too. I should not be moving cards from the top. Let me undo that here. Alright, use my brain here. I'm going to cycle through and wait. I'm going to wait on these cards until I... Yeah, there we go. Alright, I'm going to cycle through again. And let's see, wait... Yeah, it's far enough. Alright, we will play those cards. Getting a little sloppy there. Alright, there we go. Oh no, that should stay there, because then I can move that. Oh, good. Gonna whittle this thing down fast. Maybe I could do this under a couple of minutes. Alright, gonna play fast. That up. Ooh, that's a... Wow, this game is too easy. This is like one of those luck games where you get like super lucky and just draw everything good. Yes, I'm waiting on those moves. Waiting on that move. Let's see. Alright, I'm trying to whittle down the back of this draw pile. And then I don't think it'll matter in this game actually. But typically if you can do that, you'll have better chances of solving this. Although in this game, I think pretty much most of my moves are going to be working anyway. It's just the luck of the draw there. Although I did make a mistake of moving it. Well, maybe not a mistake of moving the queen. Let's see what we got going on here. Might be playing a little fast. Oh, they're just... Yeah. Wow. Wow. Catching every break here. Catching every possible break. Alright, I'll try to have this done under 3. Well, maybe not. Let's see how this goes. If I can move my keyboard fast enough, I'll have it done under 3. Alright, let's go. There we go. Oh, boy. Well, maybe not. Let's see. Alright, I'm going. I'm going to try to move this through here. That was like a super lucky draw. Super lucky. Oh, wait. What did I do wrong? Alright, okay. Alright, there we go. Not quite under 3. Anyway, that wraps this up. Unedited. Thank you for watching.